guys, I'm Nasim and welcome back to my channel. So lately I've been getting a ton of questions about breast pumps, which ones do I use, which ones are good, the ones to stay away from. So I thought I'd do a quick little video and share with you guys the cheapest, the most inexpensive breast pump that I was able to find online and how it worked out for me. So if you're on a budget, then this video is definitely going to be for you. Now, this is my first baby, and before I had her, I didn't really know what my breastfeeding situation was going to be like, whether I was even going to get any milk. Now, if you've done your research on breast pumps, especially electrical breast pumps, you know that they are very expensive, and for the most part, they are non-refundable. So before I went and spent a lot of money on an electrical breast pump, I wanted to try something a lot cheaper just to see what my situation was going to be like. So when I got the Generation 2 breast pump from Hakka in the mail, I was a little bit skeptical because this is literally just one piece of like a silicone pump with a lid. A lot of the other manual ones that I've seen have a little handle on them that you kind of squeeze. But when I finally did start breastfeeding and I had to start pumping my milk, I was actually very pleasantly surprised at how well this one worked. So since I'm not gonna pop my boobie out right now to show you how it works, I'm gonna show you on a balloon. So this is basically how it works. So you squeeze the bottle, you fold this flap back, and assuming that this is your boob and this is your nipple, you're gonna position your nipple so that it's right in the middle. You let this fall back on the rest of your boob, and now it has a really good suction and that boob is not going anywhere. So one of the things I like about this one is that you don't really have to hold it in place, unlike the electrical breast pump. And another thing that I like about this is that as opposed to an electrical breast pump, which just keeps pulling the milk out of your nipple, which can be kind of uncomfortable, this one just sucks on it very slowly so you get a nice steady stream, but it doesn't fill up too slow. Usually I can get a full bottle in about 12 minutes or so, depending on how full your breast is. One of the things I like about this breast pump is that I could do two things at once. So what I usually do is I feed my daughter on one side, and then I take this one, squeeze, and latch it onto my other side. So if Sophie's not full from this breast, then I can just give her the milk that I collected in here. And if she is full on this side, then I usually take this, put the lid back on, whatever milk I collected in here, and put it in the fridge, or you could just take it out and put it in a freezer bag and freeze the milk. So one of the things you're gonna probably be surprised at, or maybe not, when I go out with my daughter for a longer period of time, I keep this in my purse. Now, even though she has a diaper bag, I don't like to have frozen milk outside and then having to thaw it, getting like hot water from somewhere. I like to give her fresh milk. Now, breastfeeding outside, I haven't completely mastered it because I usually have to hold my breast so that she doesn't suffocate. And holding the cloth over doesn't allow me to see her face. So it's really, really hard for me to feed her outside, especially if there's no nursing station. So what I do is, when she is sitting in the car in her car seat, I put this on my boob, literally pump while my husband's driving, and wherever we're going, I have fresh milk for her to drink. And if she runs out, I can just go to the bathroom literally in 10 minutes. I'll just fill this up right up again. So this is one of the reasons that it's very, very helpful for her getting her fresh breast milk if I can't physically feed her from my boob. Now, washing this is super easy. It's 100% food grade silicone. You could stick this in the dishwasher. What I like to do is put a little bit of detergent in there and just pour boiling water in there. Now, this is very durable. It's not gonna get any like holes. It doesn't have any parts that you have to attach to it. It also has a suction base, so if you do pump and you haven't put the lid on, maybe you're gonna pump a little more afterwards, you put it on the table, it's going to stay put. So in conclusion, I would give the Hakka breast pump a 5 out of 5, especially for the price, literally like 12 bucks, you guys, like the price of 2 coffees at Starbucks. It worked really well. Very good suction, very durable, super easy to clean, and very purse friendly for me. So if you're on a budget, can't afford much, whatever the case is, maybe you just want to try something cheap first, definitely go with this one. You're not gonna regret it. That is it for the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on my Instagram, Nasim, and my Snapchat, Real Gia. and Nasim, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Do you want to say mama yet? Sophie, say mama. Sophie, say mama. Not yet, we're gonna keep waiting. Bye. Mwah.